Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Canva to sell on Amazon. Canva is an incredibly powerful and user-friendly design tool that can significantly elevate your Amazon business. It helps you create stunning visuals, from compelling product images to engaging marketing materials, all designed to attract more customers. You can easily craft professional-looking graphics, even if you have no prior design experience, making your listings stand out in a crowded marketplace. Let's dive into how you can leverage its features for success. High-quality product images are crucial for Amazon sales. With Canva, you can easily remove backgrounds, ensuring your product is the clear focus. Enhance colors, adjust brightness, and sharpen details to make your items truly pop. Consider creating several lifestyle images that show your product in use, helping potential buyers visualize themselves with it. Aim for at least 7 to 9 distinct images per listing to provide a comprehensive view and boost customer confidence. Beyond basic product photos, Canva empowers you to design impressive A+ content and a custom Amazon storefront. A+ content allows you to tell a richer brand story with enhanced images and text, often leading to a 5 to 10% increase in sales. Your storefront acts as a dedicated brand hub, showcasing your entire product line. Use Canva to create cohesive banners and modules that reflect your brand's identity, ensuring everything meets Amazon's specific design requirements for seamless approval. Canva isn't just for your Amazon listings, it's also perfect for broader marketing efforts. Craft eye-catching social media posts for platforms like Instagram or Facebook, directing potential customers to your Amazon store. Design compelling banners for Amazon advertising campaigns or create informative infographics that explain product benefits. You can also produce professional email marketing visuals to nurture customer relationships and announce exciting new product launches, expanding your reach beyond Amazon's platform.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.